Welcome to this video, where you'll explore techniques for bulk data transfer, including pgPromise. After watching this video, you will be able to summarize why bulk inserts are beneficial, relate how to use the copy command to transfer data, describe how to perform a bulk insert, summarize how to use the pgPromise package in Node.js for bulk insert, explain how to use the psycopg2 package with PostgreSQL vector databases in Python. Inserting a record into a database is a transaction by itself. When there are multiple records to be inserted, transaction overhead occurs, which compromises database performance. Especially in the case of vector databases, vector data can have very high dimensionality, making one-by-one data insertion highly inefficient. Bulk data insertion techniques help maintain database performance, enabling faster data insertion and retrieval. PostgreSQL provides the copy command to transfer data from files to tables and tables to files. For instance, if you have an faqdata.csv file that contains text and their respective embeddings, and you have a vector database containing public FAQs table set up with an ID, text, and an embedding column, you can use the copy command to insert data from its CSV file into the table. In Node.js, you can use the regular insert function to insert data into pgvector database. Additionally, you can use the copy command for data in CSV files. However, if the data is not in a CSV file, and you need to perform bulk or batch inserts into PostgreSQL from Node.js, consider using the pgPromise package. Let's learn more. To begin, install pgPromise using the Node Package Manager. Next, import the package and assign the package to a local variable. Then, initialize pgPromise by passing the database configuration. Then, explicitly define the table and columns for the data insertion using the pgPromise.helpers.column set command. Here, text and embedding are the columns, and the table is FAQs, where the bulk insertion will occur. Next, organize the values into various dictionaries, then pass them to pgp.helper.insert. Finally, because the insert operation does not return any value, run the query using db.noneQuery, where query refers to the bulk insert, and none indicates that no value is expected in return. Now, let's check out how you can use the psycopg2 package to perform bulk inserts when coding using Python. In Python, you can use the psycopg2 package to interact with the PostgreSQL database. This package includes an extras module with functions you can use for bulk insertions. To begin working with PostgreSQL through Python, you must first install psycopg2 and then import the package into your Python code. Next, import the execute values function from the extras module. Then, provide the database connection parameters for PostgreSQL by specifying the insert query and pass the values as an array of tuple, in which each tuple is of length 2, with the first element being the sentence and the second element being the embedding. Pass those parameters to execute values for batch or bulk insertion. Your code will specify the data, the SQL query template, and where to place the code. Next, connect to the PostgreSQL database. Then, create a new cursor object and execute the bulk insert. You will commit the transaction and close the cursor and connection to complete your work. You'll also find that most programming and scripting languages provide methods for bulk inserting data into PostgreSQL. In this video, you learned that bulk data insertion techniques help maintain database performance, enabling faster data insertion. PostgreSQL provides the copy command to transfer data from files to tables and tables to files, including transfers from CSV files. If your data is not in a CSV file and you need to perform bulk or batch inserts into PostgreSQL from Node.js, consider using the pgPromise package. In Python, you can use the psycopg2 package to interact with PostgreSQL databases.